are spring machine manufacturer. This is Baker. And firstly, let me introduce myself. This some of our machines, we are middle-sized spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. So this is my contact information, basic information. Guangjin spring machine factory manufacturer, middle-sized professional CNC spring machine manufacturer, and the Guangjin spring machine. And this is me, Baker, export sales manager in Dongguan City. Our factory founded in year 2005. Middle-sized, total staff 23 person. This is my WhatsApp, my WeChat. Okay, and for more videos, you can find more videos about our machine, our business activities, and our machine running, sampling at this site, youtube.com/@bakerliu6338. This site for more videos. For more videos, this site. Okay, we are in South China. Very close, our factory, very close to Hong Kong, to Shenzhen, to Guangzhou, all to Hong Kong International Airport within 3 hours, to Guangzhou International Airport within 75 kilometers. So just about 70 minutes for a car ride. Just within 70 minutes from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. Also, every summer, we will attend Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition or Guangzhou International Mental Procession Equipment Fair. Every summer, we will attend. So we are professional CNC automatic spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, middle-sized. This is one of our assembly site for spring forming machine. We have a workshop for assembly spring forming machine, compression spring machine. We also have the workshop to procession the metal parts, such as the shaft, the gears, the metal blocks, and the work panel parts. For example, the work panel parts. We now have spring forming machine and a spring coiling machine. Spring forming machine and a spring coiling machine. This is my contact info, basic info, WhatsApp. So next time, my offers, if you are in searching for a qualified supplier for CNC spring machine, you can add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat. This is my WhatsApp, my WeChat. I'm a Baker. I'm a Baker export sales manager in Dongguan City. Our factory founded in year 2005. This some of our machines. So this is our workshop for assembly spring forming machine. Our catalog. This is our catalog. We also have electric version catalog. We also have e-catalog. If you are interested or have the planning for the coming purchase for spring forming machine, spring coiling machine, take a picture list at my WhatsApp, then send me your inquiry, send me your join to my WhatsApp, to my WeChat. Okay, you can find more of our business activities at this site for introducing our factory, introducing our machine. For more sampling videos at this site, or my daily business activities at this Facebook site. Okay, we are in China, Dongguan City. Guangjin spring machine, Guangjin spring machine. Our brand, Guangjin spring machine, we using our own brand to export the machines to all over the world. For almost 20 years, our machine has reached countries and regions over 32 countries and regions. This is our catalog. We now have total 18 models for spring quilting and spring forming. So next, I'll show you some papers to introducing something about our machine. For example, this one, Camel's 10 or 11 axis spring forming machine to make, for example, the products, the samples is for chest expanding spring, for gymnastic fitness exercise spring, pull spring, extension spring for physical exercise, for fitness training, fitness exercise, for sports, for chest expanding spring, we can make it with additional equipment to add the loop at the hook at both ends on the machine directly. So one stop to make this spring in one stop only. So make it at least about 6 to 5 to 8 pieces per minute to make it. This one, our special developed over 12 years for conveyor belt related products, conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling related products. This one, Camel's 11 axis for wire from 0.4 max to 4 millimeter. 3 models available for feeding wire length 0.4 max to 4 millimeter. Conveyor belt, chocolate coating, foot, procession machinery, chain, chocolate enrolling chain. For this, every month, even every week, we have an order about this field, in this field for chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling. Do a lot of deal to covering value of the wire size, but mostly for the wire diameter size, mostly at 1 millimeter, 1.2 millimeter to more to 2.5 millimeter, mostly at the wire feeding range for conveyor belt related. As well, this paper telling the cam type 4 axis, also for conveyor belt, chocolate coating chain, chocolate enrolling. 3 models available as well for wire from 0.4 millimeter max to 4 millimeter. Conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling. I'll show you the samples. This is the one. This is the one. Conveyor belt and the sample on my hand. We bend in the single unit. The single unit 1.2 millimeter. Stainless steel foot grade. For example, this one 1 meter unit taking time about 35 seconds. 35 seconds in one stop. No need additional procession. No need additional equipment. No need no need additional steps, just bending on our machine, the single unit, bending the whole unit, single unit, then fold down this one piece by piece. This one 1.2 millimeter foot grade SUS 304. This one. We now have the machine 6 models. Precision the wire from 0.4 max to 4 millimeter at different structure and a different wide, different lengths. The single unit length from 30 centimeter max to 2.5 meter. So here's the single unit. The single unit, this one on my hand, the sample, the single unit, 50 centimeter, 2.5 stainless steel, 3-dimension, cubic, 3-dimension, single loop at both ends, single loop. So this one, 50 centimeter, take 1 unit, depending 1 unit, take time about 18 seconds. 18 seconds, 1 piece, then piece by piece, and weaved together, weaved in chain, meter to meter, by hand, by simple fixtures, by the aid of simple fixtures. This is the stainless steel conveyor belt, 2.5 millimeter, heavy duty loaded, single hook at both edge. Foot grade SUS 304. As well, this this we can also take it as belong to the compression spring. Okay, one more. This our compression spring machine. 3 models showcased on this paper for 2 axes, 4 axes, and 6 axes. For the wire length, 0.15 max to 6 millimeter. The samples are widely used user field for daily life, for industrial, for automobile industry, for the daily life. For example, the ballpoint pen and like as this trigger, alcohol trigger sprayer, for perfume, for shampoo, all have a trigger spring system, have 1 compression spring inside. This page telling 6 items for the cam type, multi-slide spring forming machine, cam type, feeding wire length 0.2 max to 8 millimeter. The baseline for 3-dimension tasks, for complicated tasks, because it's with wire rotary function. The upline, the first line, cam type, no wire rotary. The baseline, cam type with wire rotation. And our machines, our spring machine processing the material. The first cellulose, the first group, or the majority, mostly majority, for the round wire, smooth at the surface. Round wire, even round wire, smooth at the surface. And the group 2 material is the flat strip, bend, flat strip, as section shape, rectangle, square, or rounded at the 4 corners. This cam type wire rotary spring forming machine. Cam type wire rotary spring forming machine. 3 models for wire from 0.5 max to 8 millimeter. This the biggest one. 6 axis with one code spin code the server sizer, server cutoff. So one of the major tasks is bending the agriculture machinery, leg time, leg teeth, torsion spring, agriculture machinery for harvester, for straw baler, for hay collector. This the leg time, leg teeth. Okay. This page telling our camelist spring forming machine. Camelist no wire today or camelist with wire rotation. So it's very smart, easily set up. Because of smart, every servo, every slider driven by the independent servo motor directly. All land the sample examples can be made by our machine. And most of land we ever to go sampling for the clients for wire bending, wire forming products, for torsion, double torsion spring. A lot of more and more customized wire shaping, wire bending products from our clients worldwide. So this series of the machines forming the traditional spring or torsion, double torsion spring, as well also for tailor-made wire forming products. So this one, the camelist 8 sliders driven by servo motor directly according to different tasks, using the sliders to bending the wire in different directions, to bending in different shapes. So this the wire rotary spring forming machine. 5 parts consisted for this machine, including the wire decoil, the chamber, including the wire rotary, wire feeding, the work panel, the sliders, and the whole set tools, including the wire feeding tools and the spring forming tools. These the spring forming tools. The slider, 8 sliders, the layer, the tool, movable tool holder, the tool, and the tool. This is the tool material, the steel tool spring, and this the spinner. Here's the operating system. Language as like English, Chinese. If your staff, if your engineers presently do not have good ability at English, we can do providing the customized solution for you in Spanish, Portuguese, Turkish, or in Russian. So the whole set machine, including the wire decoil, the chamber, the work panel, operating system, the basic load consists of the electric parts of like transformer, L switches, servers, and the cable wires. So one more time, this is my contact. You can take a picture, then send me your inquiry. Take a picture at my WhatsApp, at my WeChat, then send me your task, send me your inquiry to my WhatsApp. For more videos, please visit my video bank at youtube.com. My video bank for our factory introduction, for our machine introduction, for more videos for sampling different springs while forming products. This page telling something our special spring, special machines. For example, for conveyor belt, for the plastic pipe clamp, for pipe clip, for wire straightening, and for tailed thread insert making machine. Here's the samples, some of the samples. Our machine do the products to almost every field, for the daily use, for the automobile industry, for cars accessories, and for industrial machinery springs. This is my workshop, our factory, the gate. The first day after the Chinese New Year's, the gate. So this is our factory. We are Dongguan spring machine, and I'm a baker, export sales manager. Please take a picture, then at my WhatsApp, send me your inquiry. We are professional spring machine manufacturer, founded in year 2005, middle-sized in Dongguan City, South China. From our factory to Canton Fair site, just within 1 hour's car's ride. 1 hour car's ride. Okay, within 55 kilometers from our factory to Canton Fair site. And the samples on the table, a lot of different samples. For example, the clamp, the pipe clamp, the pipe clip. Bending by our machine directly for different pipe size. And the max 4, this max 4, we can make it as max to 156 millimeter. 156 millimeter for outer diameter. And the materials max to 3 millimeter hard stainless steel or hard carbon steel. The irregular shape while bending products, bending products. So if you have a special wire bending task for the coming days, for the coming next months, if you have a planning for spring machine or wire forming machine purchase, take a picture at my WhatsApp, then send me your drawing, send me your inquiry, okay? This one, automatic beverage selling machine, automatic drink selling machine. This one, automatic drink selling machine. This anti-vibration suspension spring using in as usage lighting hanger or lighting holder. Also as the anti-vibration suspension spring using software in high jump matrix, sports field high jump matrix. This anti-vibration suspension spring using in electric scooter, in mountain bicycle, mountain bike, sports bike. For front tire or rear tire anti-vibration suspension spring. And we do a lot of, for this agriculture machinery, leg time, leg teeth, agriculture machinery, for a wire 4 to 8 millimeter. Carbon steel, a lot of similar different shape, but all them we call it leg time, leg teeth, torsion spring in agriculture machinery using 4 to 8 millimeter. Mostly the wire material thickness 4 to 8 millimeter. Leg time, leg teeth for this machine. Okay, my friend, you can show you along. This one cameless spring forming machine with wire rotary. And if you are planning to search for heavy duty spring forming machine, you can take a picture list at my WhatsApp, at my WeChat. Okay. Okay, see you next time.